Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, y'all, we're gonna do another first impressions on this wig, fresh out the pack. I haven't seen it yet, so we gonna do this together. Today we're doing DivaWigs. I have not used a wig from them in like 300 years, so this should be interesting. The packaging. Ooh, it's the pretty color. I have not had a color like this in a long time, y'all. Okay, so it's a 360. Doesn't have a band in it, so I'm gonna have to do that myself. Let's just try her on and see what I'll pop. Who am I gonna be in this color? Okay, I don't even know. It's kind of fun though. Different human. We're gonna need to give her a name by the end of this for sure. Let's see how the hairline's looking. Not too bad. I think I'm gonna pluck a bit of it. Position her a little bit here. It is pre-plucked. I just always feel like I need to take a little more. Like 90% of the time. Okay, I think we're coming together. Did also come with this brush. So it's a 360 lace frontal. It's not a full lace wig, but it's really lightweight on my head. Like it's not heavy at all. I think this was like a 16-inch. Let me add the band in and cut this lace off and I will be back. If you guys want to see what the inside of the cap looks like, it's like this. So we got the rose, the 360, lots of parting space, like all the parting space you could dream of. Essentially. It's super lightweight though. Like if you're somebody who doesn't like a whole heap of hair on your head, like this is actually the perfect density for you. Perfect density. Okay, got my band on here. You guys have seen me attach a band a million times, / you've seen other people do it a million times. So let's slap her on. Ooh, snuggy, snug. Okay, this is gonna be, we're gonna commit to a middle part. Let's open that up right here. Some water and some mousse. Okay, let me grab some mousse. Ah! Damn. Okay, we tweeze a little bit in here. It's different because like the color is so close to like essentially what my scalp would kind of be. So I am gonna put a bit of concealer in here. This is so different. No, I've never done this. I think it's the color. I've had this color in like highlights. I've never had this color in a full head from the roots. You guys know even when I do color, a lot of the times I love for the roots to be a bit darker. So this was me like saying, hey, step out of your comfort zone, dear. Okay, let's dry this. Okay. Oh my. She is different, y'all. She's different. Let me just put some stuffs in my parting because I want to brighten up the parting a little bit. I'm going to use a smidget. Just a smidget of my concealer. Look at that. I'm even dabbing it off because I do not want too much on there. Just want enough to give it a brighter look because your scalp is lighter than your face, obviously. Well, most people actually. I won't say everybody. Mine is. Yeah, there we go. We've got a scalp happening. I think especially with this color, you really need that differentiation. Cause why? Cause we gotta trick them. Stay tricking them in them streets. Stay tricking them in them streets. Whatever that was. This is not a baby hair look for me. I feel like this is just a normal hairline situation. Okay, she's kind of cute though. Okay. Girl, stop. Honestly, if you want to wear a wig to feel like you ain't got nothing on your head, this feels like nothing is on my head. Like nothing. I didn't even gel it on, guys. I didn't even gel it. It's just here. But I mean, gel it because of the flaps if you want to. Or the lazy girl method, you tuck that flap right back up there. I think she needs texture though. Yes. You see that as I did that? She's like, texture, honey. That's what she needs. We're doing wands. Or should we do the curling iron? I haven't done a curling iron, I feel like in so long. Curling iron, you're right. You know what though? It's gonna need layers, I think. So I'm gonna take these two little pieces here and slide cut them. They're gonna be my guide. So now this is my guide. And I'm just gonna go for my guide right here and whoop, whoop, slide cut all the way down. There's my guide again. You see her? That little short guy there? gonna go down from there. Now we're gonna have some movement. It's gonna do the same thing on the other side. I also have a video on how to cut layers. If you're lost right now and confused and don't want to ever have to cut them on your own head and you just want to cut them on the actual mannequin, I have a video on that. And it's beginner friendly, foolproof, y'all. Alright, that'll give me some texture around the face a little bit. The good thing is it's not like a ton of hair, so it's actually going to be very quick to curl. God, it feels like ages since I've used a curling iron, it feels like, on myself. I'm just going to leave my ends out though, because I don't want it to be like a full spiral. So you see like this, these little guys, they're going to stay out. What do you guys think about this color so far though? Like, would you rock it? Is this for you? It's really growing on me. At first I was like, girl, I mean, and now I'm kind of like, oh, it's like I'm getting used to it. I don't know, are you guys getting used to it too? The other thing is, usually when I get a wig that's colored, I struggle with the idea of like not changing the color. So like I was saying with the roots, like I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna take the wig as it is and enjoy it. I'm not a control freak, but I am an actual professional hairstylist. So it's like, it's hard because you're like, I would change this, I would do that. But I'm learning to just kind of like see how it goes first before I think about what I would do differently. You know what I mean? Okay, we're here. We're at the front options now. Curling these bad boys away from the face. Almost done. Ooh, letting her cool and opening her up now. This hair actually feels like it could handle hairspray. I don't usually like to put hairspray in any of my weaves, wigs, or anything like that, but I feel like she could actually handle it. It's just so silky. This is a totally different person. And that is the beauty of wigs, y'all. You just become someone else in minutes. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. I feel like this is a really good length for someone who's just starting out with wigs, doesn't want anything too crazy, or once again, y'all, if you're in that corporate world and you kind of don't want to, you know, you want to keep this hair during the week and have the stripperella hair on the weekend, you know, down to your Bamsy. But until then, the color is actually really pretty once it's curled up and has so much texture. It's like beachy waves. Okay, what is her name though? Please, I need to know her name. Comment below and let me know what her name is. Aw, she's peachy. She's peachy in life. I like that. It kind of goes with the color of the hair. It's very like bronzy bombshell. For me, earrings are like everything. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm always like, I complete a look with earrings. It's like without them, I'm lost. I almost feel like my lip needs some more orange in it. This is actually not even orange lipstick. It's a blush. Oh, she is ready for spring. Let me know if this is something you would rock. Let me know if you think it looks good on me or not. But don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me if you don't like it. Be nice about it. But yes, if you guys are new to wigs, if you're looking for something nice and lightweight with some color but not too much color, this is definitely a great pick for you. All right, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl, Earl. Don't forget to hit what? Subscribe to join the tribe, y'all. Why? Because it's popping and it's lit and it's where you want to be. Be. Alright guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think's a thing.